Is it not very nice?
Okay, describe it.
Salty, 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 salty. Back to TV!
Wow, very excited. So we had a special delivery come in the post.
Yeah,
Oh my.
we did.
And it is fan mail.
Woo!
But look at the size of this giant box.
Yay!
Wow.
What's your sex shop?
So what I'll do is I'll read the letter and then we'll see what they've sent us inside, okay?
Yep.
So it says, here is a small package from Mother and Son Toy Review. I can't say that word, djungelvral.
Yeah.
The something sweet are really salty, but I love them, so I'll send you some to try. I'm not sure if you've ever seen people try it out on YouTube, but people normally hate it or spit it out. The striped bag is something that really says Sweden. A lot of people like them. I hope you enjoy the candy and the small toys. We love your YouTube and get excited each time a new video gets uploaded.
Ah, thank you, Mother and Son Toy Review.
So that's Madeline and Vida.
Ah,
So all the way from Sweden we've got this box, boys.
thank you very much, guys.
Wow. So, what should we look at first? Do you reckon toys or sweeties?
I think sweeties. Toys, 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 toys.
What do you think, Jackson?
Sweeties.
Oh, sweeties and toys. Two
Okay.
against one.
Let's see what we've got then. One for you, one for you, one for
What's
you.
that one?
Oh, what is it?
Wow. You can open them if you want to.
I got some Batman the
Do you need some help?
one.
Oh.
Let's see what Batman
We might
got.
need some scissors.
So, it's a Playmobil figure.
Yeah.
Oh no, we didn't need scissors, I got in. Here you go, Jack. Oh cool, you got a guy to build.
What's this? Can I have some help?
You can.
Oh, what you got, Henry?
Oscar, can you help?
Oh, you got a guy to build as well.
You build him.
Can you take that?
Let's have a look.
If you're not subscribed to Mother and Son Toy Review channel, go over there now, guys. Show them some love.
Yeah, they got some awesome videos. They do unboxings like us.
Yeah. If you would like to send some Splat fan mail as well, guys, you can do so. The PO box is in the description below.
So show everyone what you got then, boys.
I got this person.
Let's have a look.
Oh, cool. That looks like a vampire.
Yeah, it looks like a vampire superhero.
Yeah.
It's got a cape. Actually, it looks like a girl though. Is it a girl?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
And here's his helmet.
And here's Jackson's one. It's a knight and he's got a sword.
Yay.
These are super awesome, aren't they?
Yeah. Now I think we should do sweeties.
Okay, we also got this Formula racing car kit.
Yay.
Cool.
I think I'm gonna have it.
So we'll make that on another video.
Yeah. And this Playmobil Special Plus.
I wanna do that.
Oh.
So we got some jelly hearts.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna be nice. Some Zoo Originals. They look like a strawberry type of sweet, which look nice. Flower Power. Oh, they look nice. They're like gummies. And we got these things. Polka Grissa. They look nice. And I think this is the one we couldn't pronounce.
Djungelvral.
Yeah.
Oh, so it looks like jungle something, doesn't it? Jungle. What does brown mean, do you reckon?
Don't know. But these are the supposed to be the salty ones, yeah?
Yeah. So we'll see if
Okay.
you like them.
Whoa.
So do you wanna try some of these sweets then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get them open. You can have one of each of them.
Save salty for last.
Yeah, we'll save the salty ones for last. So these are the hearts. So here's a heart. Tell me what they taste like.
It tastes like.
Good.
Yeah. It tastes like.
Yeah. Oh, Jackson's doing a dance. It must
Yeah.
be good.
Is it nice?
What do you think?
Yeah, is it good?
Awesome.
He wants another one.
Oh, which one should we have now?
The red one?
Yeah, I think it's try
Yeah.
the red ones.
Are these the animal ones? Are they in the shape of like a monkey or something?
Yeah, that's these ones, guys. Go on then.
Oh no, Oscar's lost his.
These are really good.
Are they?
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I could have one.
I know. What do you think, Jackson? Yummy?
Tastes like.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.
Right, we'll go for the flower power ones now.
Flower power ones. Thank you.
There you go, Jax.
Go. What do you reckon to
Oh,
those?
that's the shape of flower.
Jackson's just licking his one.
All right,
What flavour
getting
is
the old
it?
fruit flavour out of there, mate.
What flavour is it, Jax? Yummy flavour.
Is it apple?
What flavour's your one,
The
Henry?
apple. Orange, I bet, innit?
Is it stuck in your
Is it
teeth?
stuck in your teeth?
It tastes like.
Ah, lovely, good. Boys are going to try these. Right, one for you.
I heard that Swedish sweets
One
are
for
really
you.
good.
Well, you'll soon find out.
Try it.
Right, these are hard, so you need to suck them. They're probably not going to be able to bite through it. Put it in your mouth and give it a suck and see what it tastes like. They smell minty. Are they minty?
Defo. So mega minty. It's really good.
Nice.
And it's just chewing. Thought you might end up having to have a few cavities filled there.
Wow,
Actually, that's really easy. To
that was
chew
strong
through.
teeth, is it? Oh, they're not too hard then. Apparently our kids don't know how to work boiled sweets.
No, they just chew straight through them. But it was so lovely of you to send us this mother and son toy review. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't forget to head over to their channel and subscribe. And if you're not already a Splat fan, give this video a like, hit our subscribe button, and click the bell to get notifications of our daily videos.
Hungry because I want some more sweeties.
Do you want to try these ones then?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the last one.
Djungelvral.
Oh,
My goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready? One for you.
one for you.
One for you.
Oh,
One for you.
Heard that any normal usual. I think
You don't like what, darling? That one. Did you try it?
did you try it? It's what, darling? Is it not very nice?
Okay, describe it.
Salty, 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 salty. Crazy.
Okay, you don't like those.
You don't
then?
like them then?
Sour, sour.
No, so djungelvral is definite no-no.
Thank you. Thank you, mother and son. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.